just finished wash, I guess. In this city vibe on Python 4. So let's have a look. A quick taste. Oh, that's very clean. Gonna have a good look at the cleans. Okay, next one down here, down below. Very nice. Good, green. Okay. Anyway, sorted. That's it. Sorted. Alright, see you next video.